Okay, this is my bird room. Yeah, this is Amber, filming for YouTube, of course. That's Bailey. That's Dee. They're actually eating it now. Mom fed them just a little bit ago. This is Bray Bray. Hi, Bray Bray. Hi. Hi, Bray Bray. This is my African Gray Aggie. Hi, Aggie. Can you break it down? Break it down. Woohoo! 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 Go, Aggie. Go, Aggie. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Come on, break it down. Show me you can dance. Show me you can dance. Aggie.
Mom wants you.
I'm recording. Go.
Yeah.
Shut the door.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start counting. Aggie, break it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Aggie. That's Comet. That's Flame's nesting box. His female. She's in there, if I can get her to come out. Flame! Come here, Flame! Oh, Bo, watch out. That's my big boy, Bo. Gotta watch out for him, because if you don't, you might just lose a finger or something. I don't know. Be good. That's a good boy. No. See? That's what I mean. Get in your cage. Get up there. Ew, bird food. Yeah, you can have that back. Oh, you're on camera. I need Flame. Flame! Flame! Come here, girl! There you are. Come here, Flame! Hi, Flame. You probably can't see her very well. Well, this is everybody. I'm gonna go now.